Dennis Gunning, Sub-Assembly and Hoisting of the Cleveland Metropark Zoo Rainforest Dome. Dennis is a member of Ironworkers Local 17 and works for Forest City Erectors. Dennis has over 45 years of experience, which was instrumental in the assembly and hoisting of the Rainforest Dome, which was extremely challenging given the complex geometry of the 136 component pieces. The dome was completely pre-assembled on the ground using multiple surveys to match the existing conditions of the dome's support structure. Dennis and his supporting crew of ironworkers successfully performed the assembly and setting operation flawlessly, which was a result of his 45 years of expertise and a detailed work and safety plan.